Footage. Don't touch your face.
Boys want trouble. Okay, I'm putting it on the fucking.
So are we doing like we're gonna make the whole one like that, or we're doing halves?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how y'all doing it.
Huh? Like that?
I'm saying, but like, this is gonna be one, or this is gonna be one.
No.
1, 2.
1, 2. Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna put the finished side on.
With the what?
The finished ones.
Oh. Yeah, Adrian, you can put your finished ones over here too.
I think this one you probably have bacon left over. So doing this one you probably have bacon left over.
How many things do we have? One.
Of trays?
Like, do y'all ever like hollow them out or just cut them in half?
Cut them in half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's 26. 30.
Sorry. You gotta see that.
26. 20. Oh, I lost count. 26. So let's say there's like 36.
35.
How many slices does this have? Does it say?
Nuh-uh.
Doesn't say. This bacon looks awesome. I just want to like make it right now. Put a piece in the microwave and try it.
Microwave bacon. It's blasphemous.
You can do that?
Yeah, there is. Like,
My grandma used to do it all the time. I'm gonna try it right now.
I put it in the toaster oven.
that, I wouldn't eat it in the microwave.
You wouldn't eat it in the microwave?
Hell no.
No. Put it in the toaster oven with some
Why?
honey and some brown sugar.
Open the microwave really quick.
Yes, sir.
Here.
Didn't they sell somewhere where you can like?
There's actual microwavable bacon
Yeah.
that they sell it like.
I know, but we're gonna try this really quick.
You ever try to make an egg in a microwave?
Oh my god. My grandma did one time. She just put it in like a Ziploc bag full of water. And then I was over here making something.
Yeah, it's a Ziploc bag full
And
of
then all of a sudden I hear,
water.
bah! It was like, it smelled like straight huevo. And I was like, me? I turned around, she had glasses she had egg all over her glasses. That didn't work yet. I wonder how long it's been
No.
in for.
For a while though.
For that long. Like,
It's taking up space.
give me the cheese.
Get it. Oh, no, it's ham.
Is it doing something? Can you see? I know you can see.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, a little bit more.
Did you let him out?
No, this thing's not so much.
Ooh. Okay. It still needs a little more. Huh? I can't see anything.
Yeah, a little more.
No, just put start.
Beating you, man. This reminds me whenever we go like to the camping or something. It's always me and you cooking for everybody.
Yeah.
Damn kids know how to cook shit.
Looks like a normal cooked piece of bacon though.
Not at all.
But it needs to be cooked for
Looks like
longer.
a crappy.
You need to turn the stove on.
Shut up.
Your grandpa was wrong.
My grandpa. right when it came to speed.
Oh,
Yeah, that's weird.
right?
Come on. Fuera.
Jack, you should really be starting cutting the cheese. We're almost done.
Oh yeah? I don't even have a knife.
I know. Too worried about your goddamn microwave bacon.
So it tastes gross as fuck.
No, it's not.
If I throw it on the stove, it tastes better. Though.
Yeah, yeah. Y'all don't know nothing.
Let's see. Oh no.
It's like, man, that's the saddest piece of bacon I've ever seen in my life.
What happened to it?
You did.
Try to microwave it.
It's like, you know, Native Americans, they make use of every part of the body.
Yeah.
You did not do that at all.
Did I?
Yeah. I should try it.
I want to try it too.
Or rather slice
Yeah.
my dick off with this knife.
Okay. It's good. Not the right way to make it at all, but.
Also a complete waste of time.
So you didn't cut none of the cheese.
Shut up.
We're
Look at that message you made over there.
Son of a
I'm
bitch.
gonna start talking shit about both of y'all. It's weird.
Crispy.
I don't like crispy bacon.
Me
I
either.
love crispy bacon. Motherfucker, we
I want like fatty.
It's like actually not that bad.
It's not bad. It's not like gross or anything.
It almost tastes. That's actually
Oh,
awesome. It's really
where's the things? The Yeah, you can bring this over here now.
Oh God. The spoon it all falls in the ugly water.
The ugly water.
Just wash them out.
Here you go.
I remember that's
Here,
actually.
pour all that in here.
Let's start microwaving bacon.
Yeah, that was too much though.
Hey, who was that girl with? The one that didn't like Jordan? Who was she with? She was somebody.
She wasn't with anybody, man.
She
That
wasn't?
was fucking-
No, she was somebody's friend that we were hanging out with.
And didn't I see
She
that
was
girl Jordan?
She was a huggy, that's right. What's that?
I thought I saw that girl Jordan too.
Yeah, she was there.
And I was like, oh, don't let Miss
I was like, well, hope that
Miss
girl
Anger
sees it.
Management
Miss
can
Anger
find her.
Management. She's still the love of my life.
But it doesn't really matter.
But it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, I was like, oh my god. Weirdo. Here, queso. And where's the cream cheese? Did you grab the cream cheese already?
We got some cheese.
Here, take your GoPro.
Yum.
See,
Yeah, it might as well
the
use
tails
all.
on these hoes just so we can fit more of them in there.
Okay.
Because these tails are like,
Yeah.
I mean, it's like super long.